puff sleeves is one of the types of sleeves that have added fullness in the sleeve cup and or the bicep area. There are three styles of puff sleeves. Puff sleeves with fullness at the top and bottom, puff sleeves with fullness at the bottom only, and puff sleeves with fullness at the top only. And this is how we draft a puff sleeve. The slash and spread method. Quickest way on how to draft a basic sleeve. Muna natin establish yung haba ng sleeve na kinakailangan sa gusto nyo. Ang sleeve ay merong cap height.
The cap height of a person's body is from the shoulder tip to the underarm line. As the sleeve has to have some ease, the underarm line should be about 0.63 of an inch or 1.5 of a centimeter below the armpit.
Okay, so 3.5 ang lalagay natin na cap height mula dito. Okay, so ilalagay natin dito. Ito yung magiging cap height niya. Curl na naman